This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Jill Sizemore. Welcome home to this charming 4-bedroom home with open floor plan and abundance of light in port and custom built-ins and double-sided fireplace completes this relaxing atmosphere. Enjoy outdoor living with covered dining area and outdoor patio space. Pets negotiable. Available for move in July 7, 2022. 2-year lease preferred. For more information, review the details below.